Hey guys, welcome back to Satya's Neural Lab. If you've ever been asked about automation in an interview, here's how I'd answer it without sounding like a robot. So let's say the first question is, can you describe you've already done on your behavioral, and they see you've done AI automation. So the question is can you describe an automation you built? And from this, I would go around saying, from what we've done so far, I do the raw sales data one. An answer would be somewhat around the lines of, sure. An automation I built is a daily report automation. So basically, it takes the raw sales data, cleans it automatically, creates a daily report. In plain terms, it saves our team hours of manual work every day and ensures we never miss key insights. So next, maybe they'll ask you a little more in depth. Which tools or language did you use? So I wouldn't focus on the tools when explaining this. I'd say something like I built a process that automates reporting and reduces error. Maybe give them a list of how it functions, because really, unless you're going for a technical role, the interviewer cares about the impact, not just the tech. So what's next? Another question they may ask is, how did this automation help your team or business, or how do you see it helping a business? And to that, I'd say it freed up potential team members to focus on analysis instead of formatting spreadsheets. That meant faster decision making, fewer mistakes, and happier clients. In interviews, framing it this way shows strategic thinking. Maybe they ask you for another example. So, what I'd say for that is, yeah, another example that we've actually done is we've set up follow-up emails. So I'd say, yeah, I set up an automation that follows up for customer emails. Instead of manually checking, the system triggered responses based on customer actions. So the secret to explaining AI automation is always explain why it matters, not how it works, unless they ask you the technical questions. Because when interviewers are thinking about you, they're thinking about strategy. How can you be the best to the company? And the way I frame these allows you to be ready for impact. It shows that you impacted or you could potentially impact a business, a project. Also, if you want, I can make a follow-up breaking down different interview questions for each of the automations and automations that we can do in the future. So comment if you want a full breakdown. Thank you.